الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the especially merciful. ألم نشرح لك صدرك. Did we not expand for you, O Muhammad, your breast? ووضعنا عنك وزرك. And we removed from you your burden. Which had weighed on your back. And raised high for you your repute. For indeed, with hardship will be ease. Indeed, with hardship will be ease. So when you have finished your duties, then stand up for worship. And to your Lord direct your longing.
Okay, so as we already know that Surah Inshirah, it is the 94th surah of the Holy Quran, and it is a Makki surah. Makki surah means that it was revealed in Makkah, and it has 8 ayats. And the word this Inshirah means comfort or relief. So let's just go to the theme of this surah. This surah was revealed by Allah to Muhammad, peace be upon him, to console and encourage him. So as I've already told you earlier that this surah was revealed to Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, when Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was in a state of depression. And why was he in a state of depression? Allah Ta'ala console him and encourage him that what happened? The Prophet had to bear the brunt of the criticism and abuse when Islam was first revealed to him, since people thought of him crazy. So when Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was revealed as the Prophet, and when Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked the other people to come to Islam, and he told the other people about Islam, so they started criticizing Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and they started abusing Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, not only physically but emotionally as well. And they used to call Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that you are crazy and you don't know anything, and Allah and the God which you are saying that is a God, how can we see him? We cannot see any God, so there is no God which you are talking about. He had lost respect within his own friends, clansmen, and neighbors, who began being harsh and hostile towards him. So what happened? Not only the other people, but his friends also started betraying him. They were not listening to him, and they were being harsh towards him. He was openly mocked in the streets, as no one in Makkah was receptive to his message. So whenever Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, used to give the message of Allah, message of Islam to the people, they used to mock them and they used to make fun of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Although he gradually became accustomed to this ridicule, he faced a lot of hardship, and the message of this surah helped provide some comfort to him. So although gradually, after some time, Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, was used to of this mocking and was used to of this abusive nature of the people, and but he was used to, but he has faced so much hardship. So when Allah Ta'ala see the hardship of Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, so Allah Ta'ala revealed this surah to comfort him.